This is our no bag day with a twist, and this will be my bag for today. We are commemorating this day to celebrate our parents who went through hardships so that we can be here today, enjoying the life that we are enjoying today. So we would like to say thank you to all our parents for the sacrifices they made for us to be enjoying the life that we are. Because some of our parents used to go to school carrying plastic bags with no shoes so that they can be better people who are there to provide for us. So we want to say thank you to all our parents. Thank you.
Today is a different day because today we are bringing baskets, plastics and other such other than bags. So today I brought this basket that contains boxes and my book.
That I'm so happy. My bag is this one.
This is my bag made out of box. Others brought plastic baskets.
I brought this dish because I like it, and this is my food, my break, and these are my books. Thank you.
We didn't bring bags today, we brought plastics. I'm very happy. Everyone was looking amazing. It's a new thing and we are happy that we are having this thing. It's an exciting thing. Thank you.